Hi and welcome in HTML very first tutorial, and in this tutorial we will cover few basic things of HTML such as what is HTML versions, audience, prerequisites, tools or editors, and how to download Notepad++. So now what is HTML? HTML is a markup language which is used to create web pages and web documents, and it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In HTML, we use a number of tags, and each tag has their own purpose. Now, what are the tags? I will explain tags in my next tutorial briefly. And HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in late 1991. After that, in 1992, there was another version of HTML, that was HTML2. And in 1999, there was a major version of HTML which is known as HTML 4.01, and that one is widely used, and still in many websites people are using HTML 4.01 instead of HTML5. But now we have HTML5 as a current version of HTML, and which is the extension of the HTML 4.01, and that is published in 2012. Now you may ask that if we have HTML5, then why we are learning HTML 4.01? So as there is written that HTML5 is an extension to HTML 4.01, so it is necessary that you must know that what is HTML 4.01. But not only that, we will also cover XHTML in this tutorial. Now, if you wanted to become a professional web designer and web developer, and you wanted to create your own websites, and you want to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars, then this tutorial is for you. Now, let me assume that you don't have any knowledge about computer, but you know that how to create a file or folder, or how to open a website, but you don't need to know any other thing other than that. In this complete series, which is a web engineering, I will teach you HTML, XHTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3, JavaScript, and PHP. So I recommend you that keep watching my tutorials each and every, so that you can be a professional. Now let's talk about the tools and editors. HTML can be edited by using professional HTML editors like Dreamweaver or Sublime Text, but I recommend you that you must go for a Notepad or Notepad++ if you are using Windows, but if you are using Mac, then TextEdit is best for you. So now, as I assumed that you don't have any knowledge about the computer, so let me show you that how to download a Notepad++ and how to install it. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can leave a comment below. But before leaving a comment, let me show you that how to download a Notepad++. Okay, so open your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, then open it, or Opera, whatever you are using, and open google.com and write Notepad++ download. And click on the very first link, and now download from here. And here it is downloading. Okay, here it is. Now double click on it to install it. Yes. Okay, English. And then next. I agree. Next, and install. And finish. And here is our text editor in which we write our HTML code. So guys, in next tutorial, okay, so guys, in next tutorial we will write our very first HTML program. or very first web page. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.